guys, it's Ariel here from Fix My Books, and today we're going to talk about the tax-free first home savings account. So first things first, what is a first home savings account? So it's a new registered plan like your RRSP and your TFSA. You can use it to save towards your first home purchase. It has a $40,000 lifetime contribution limit and $8,000 annual contribution limit. So who is eligible for an FHSA? So first of all, you need to be a Canadian resident. Next, you must be 18 years or older with a SIN number. And third, you should be a first-time home buyer. However, I am going to link an article down below in our website's blog, and there are additional rules if you bought a home previously. There's something like a 4-year rule. Check that out down below. Next, okay, so what is the difference between an FHSA versus an RRSP versus a TFSA? So an FHSA, like an RRSP, the contributions are tax deductible and it actually reduces your income tax owing. Withdrawals, including from an investment income, are tax-free like a TFSA. So it kind of combines the best of both worlds into one account. So in 2023, Canadians will be allowed to contribute the full $8,000 annual limit during the year. So this account, FHSA, as of today, it's Feb 18 that I'm recording this. It's not available yet. It will be available starting April 2023. So right now, all we have is preliminary information and there could be more details to follow. So what are the FHSA rules? So the FHSA can stay open for 15 years or until the end of the year you turn 71 or at the end of the following year you make a qualifying withdrawal. So what is a qualifying withdrawal? So number one, you must be a resident of Canada, obviously. Next, you have to be a first-time home buyer. Next, you need to have a written agreement to buy or build a qualifying home before October 1 of the year following the withdrawal. And you must occupy the home as your principal residence within 1 year. So what if I don't purchase a home? So any savings could be transferred to an RRSP or RRIF tax-free. And any savings that's not transferred to an RRSP or RRIF will be withdrawn on a taxable basis. So like with your RRSP, if you withdraw money that is not obviously for like the home buyer's plan, then you will be taxed on that as well. So how much can I contribute? So again, it's $40,000 as the lifetime contribution limit, $8,000 as the annual contribution limit, and you can carry forward any unused portions. So what does this mean? So let's say in 2023, you decide to only contribute $4,000. So you haven't hit the maximum annual contribution of $8,000 for 2023. So the $4,000 limit that you didn't use up can be moved to 2024. So for 2024, in this scenario, you would have $8,000 as the 2024 annual contribution limit, plus the rollover of $4,000 for 2023. So you would have $12,000 as your annual contribution limit for 2024 because of that rolled over. So like the TFSA, it's a flat amount. It is not like the RRSP where it's based on your earned income. So everyone gets $8,000 per year regardless of their income. So you can also have more than one FHSA. Just be sure that you don't exceed the maximum annual contribution or the lifetime contribution. So let's say you have, for example, 2 FHSA accounts. You could do, let's say, $20,000 each. You could have one maybe $30,000, $10,000. Doesn't matter as long as it's not over the $40,000 lifetime contribution. So this is not the scenario where you have 2 FHSAs and then you think, you know, you have $40,000 in one and $40,000 in the other one. That's not allowed. It's going to be $40,000 as the limit across all your FHSAs. Okay, next. So the home buyer's plan, or the RSP one, versus the FHSA. So in the home buyer's plan, you can take out $35,000 out of your RSP, but it must be paid back within 15 years. So if you take out the $35,000, obviously that's tax-free, but you have to pay it back within 15 years. If you do not pay it back, then you'll start being charged taxes on that. On the FHSA, you do not need to pay it back, and you can withdraw the full $40,000. So the next question is, can I combine the FHSA and home buyer's plan? Yes. If all contribution limits are met, a single individual can withdraw up to $75,000, and a couple can withdraw up to $150,000 towards their first home purchase. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new videos to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books.